back to my channel. I'm Naturally Ebony. This is I.n.e. Natural Hair Vlogs, and today we're doing old school versus new school. Now, I got my EzDetangler in the mail a few days ago, and I stuck with the old school because, you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I want to get less shedding, so I want to know if the new school will beat the old school. So let's get it. Let's see. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna be using AuntJackies Detangler. So I want to see if this works well, and if it does, I'm gonna keep this in rotation. AuntJackies, okay? This is the Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. My hair is instantly getting slip. My hair is extremely dry in the back, and those tight curls are almost matted to my scalp. See how it's releasing the tension and stretching the curl and giving it slip. All right, I'm excited. Let's see what you got going on. It smells extremely fresh. Let's do a little finger detangling, and I'm gonna let this hang out while I apply some more on the other side of my head and let that Not On My Watch coagulate with my curls, okay? Now this side I'm gonna use the EzDetangler on. However, this Not On My Watch is going all over my head. It feels sleek and smooth, and it smells refreshing. And I'm getting a little excited, yes I am, because my hair is good and dry. Just like the other side, I'm doing a lot of finger detangling and applying a lot of that AuntJackies Not On My Watch on the tangles, trying to soften it all up. And it's doing a pretty good job. Good slip. Alright guys, this is a very honest review. This is how much shed hair I got from the powder brush. And this is about a week and a half of not detangling my hair. And this is easy to take out. And this is how much I got in the EzDetangler. I got a little more in the paddle brush. However, my review is I was able to detangle better with the paddle brush. I didn't want to admit it, but it's true. And the Detangler, the Not On My Watch Detangler by AuntJackies Instant Detangling Therapy, I'll give it a 7, a strong 7. When I figure out I need more water, at first it was like 5, but I would say a strong 7. The EzDetangler, being very honest and very truthful, it wasn't the best detangler for my type of hair. However, once I detangled with the paddle brush, well, actually, my fingers were number 1. Paddle brush was number 2. And then the EzDetangler is special. And I'll say it's special because once you detangle your hair and it's all detangled, now see, this is what the paddle brush will do. It's all detangled. But when you use the EzDetangler, when you're done, watch how I make the curls pop. Look at that. It make the curls clump together and pop. So I wouldn't necessarily use it for my hair as a detangler, but I would use it for a good wash and go to make those curls clump together and pop. So I can't say it's 100% no for the use of it. It's amazing after it's detangled, and it's maybe because of the length of my hair, and it's weird. It's a weird texture. It look like it's easy, but this hair, it'll go from here to here, and it'll attach itself and loop itself in another curl. So it might look short here and then long here. Then I don't have to untangle it anyway. So old school won this battle. New school bought a new flare, like normally new school do. So I would use it for a good wash and go. And the AuntJackies is a strong 7. The slip is amazing. The slip is amazing. You see, this look like a wash and go almost right here, just with the EzDetangler and some water. So you will be able to revitalize your hair with this AuntJackies detangler. Not on my watch, honey. So check it out. Okay, guys, I wanted to give you an update on this AuntJackies Not On My Watch, honey. This has really been revolutionary because, first of all, I thought it was going to be greasy. Not greasy. Very moisturizing. Second of all, I did not put my hair up. I did not do anything at all to my hair last night. I got in the bed and it looked very fresh, and it's not tangling up. It's still detangled, even though I didn't put it in a pineapple or anything. And I want to bump that 7 rating up to a 10 because for $7, that AuntJackies Not On My Watch did a great deal. And if you got little girls that's hard to detangle or their hair dry out quickly, I feel like this would really, really work well. So AuntJackie Not On My Watch, get a 10 from I.n.e. Natural Hair Vlogs. Okay. Hey, don't forget, I'm Naturally Ebony, and this is I.n.e. Natural Hair Vlogs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel right here. Right here. You'll see it. You'll see it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you watch the next video and holla at your girl.